uploading another video in your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio right now and turn on these 5 easy settings that I'm about to share with you right now, so that you start getting more views, more subscribers and more watch hours in your next video. If you are not getting any views on your videos, or if you are getting less than 100 views or 200 views, it does not mean that YouTube algorithm hates you or that YouTube is not for you. It means that there are some settings which need to be on your channel, but they are off. And if these settings are on your channel, YouTube algorithm will be able to push your video to a wider audience, and you'll be getting more views, more subscribers and more watch hours. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you and showing you step by step these settings which you need to turn on right now on your channel for YouTube algorithm to pick up immediately and start recommending your videos to a wider audience, and you'll be getting more views and more subscribers. So stay to the end of this video, because the second to the last one and the last one is the highest one, and you wouldn't want to miss it. So let's dive in. First thing first, before going into these settings, there are 2 things we need to check. There are 2 criteria we need to make sure that they are correct. And the number 1 thing is checking if our channel is verified. Yes, you need to check if your channel is verified. If it is not, you use your phone number to verify your channel right now. And also, if your channel is not verified and if you're uploading long form videos, you cannot add custom thumbnail to it. Okay, then the second thing you need to check right now is if your channel is shadow banned. Now, how can you check if your channel is shadow banned? There are 2 methods for you to check if your channel is shadow banned. Number 1 is for you to on incognito in your channel. Turning on an incognito means going out from your channel and viewing your channel as an audience, as an external viewer. Okay, then the second way, which if your channel is shadow banned, is for you to switch to your other account and check it. Okay, let me make this more clear. I have 3 other accounts which are subscribed to this my channel, and whenever I uploaded my video, I will use these 3 accounts to watch my video from beginning to the end, like it and comment on it. Now, I want to check if my channel is shadow banned. What I will do is that I will switch on to one of the accounts, okay, and if my video did not pop out, maybe I uploaded a new video right now and I wanted to watch it as usual, and that video do not pop out on my home page, even after refreshing my channel over and over again and the video did not pop out on my home page, I will switch on to the other 2 and the same thing still happened. After refreshing my channel over and over again, it still did not pop out on the home page. I will know that something is wrong somewhere, and if it continues for, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks, I will suspect that my channel is shadow banned. That is how you are going to know that your channel is shadow banned. Switch on to any of your accounts right now and check if your new video did not pop out on your home page. That means your channel might be shadow banned, or you can even ask one of your subscribers to check it for you. Okay, so now let us dive into the main business, the settings which you need to turn on right now for you to start getting more views and for YouTube algorithm to start recommending your videos to the right audience. We are going to go to my Chrome browser so that I can start showing you these settings one after the other.
The first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using and search for YouTube Studio dashboard. The website will pop out like this. Then you click on the first one here. Okay. Now here we are on the YouTube Studio dashboard. You click on settings. You go down and click on settings. Okay. It will load. Then you click on channel here. Okay. The number 1 settings you need to turn on is here at basic info. Okay, this country of residence. Make sure you always choose your current country of residence. Okay, like here now, my residential country, the country I'm in right now is Nigeria. Okay, so you select the country that you are in at the moment. You select the country that you are in, because YouTube will first of all recommend your videos to your residential country before spreading it out to other countries. So that is the reason why it is very important for you to select the current country that you are in. Okay, then the number 2 settings is still here at the basic info, this tag section. Okay, make sure you fill in your tags properly. Okay, as a small YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, make sure that you fill in your tags, because let's say for instance, when you started a channel newly, YouTube do not know what your channel is all about unless you start uploading videos before they will be able to pick some data about your channel. But here is the way which you can do it so that YouTube will know what your channel is all about even without you posting any video. It's by filling in the appropriate tags, the correct tags in your channel in this tag section. Okay, and first of all, you need to add your channel name first before adding other tags. You should also add other tags of people that are doing the same niche like you, other big creators that are doing the same niche, so that whenever someone comes and search for any of the big creators, your channel will also pop out as one of the. If you cannot write the tags by yourself, or if you are not sure on the tags to use, okay, to write on your channel, you can use this tool, Rapid Tags IO. Okay, just type it on your browser and it will pop out like this. The only thing you need to do is write down your channel niche or any keywords from your channel. Okay, and it will generate bunch of keywords for you. Do you understand? The only thing you need to do is just for you to copy it like this and then paste it here on your channel tags. Do you understand? The number 3 settings is at this upload defaults. Just click on it, okay? Then you go to advanced settings. Do you understand? This allow automatic chapters and key moments. If yours is on, just go and turn it off. Do you understand? It's better for you to add the automatic chapter, that is the timestamps, by yourself than to allow YouTube to add it for you, because sometimes YouTube do not add it correctly. They make some mistakes in adding automatic chapters for your videos. So the best thing for you is to turn it off. Whenever you make a video and you want to upload it, just watch the video over and over again and pen down the key moments, the timestamps. You understand? Then while uploading your videos, at the description part, you add your timestamps there. It will be even more better. Okay? Then the number 4 settings is this automatic dubbing. This is a very powerful and important settings which you need to turn on your channel if yours is off. Do you understand? This automatic dubbing will help YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to a wider audience in different languages. Do you understand? Let's say for instance now I'm doing my tutorial with English language and someone from Spain, okay, decided to click to watch my video. Instead of me to be speaking English to that person, maybe that person is not understanding English. Instead of me to be speaking English to that person, because I allowed automatic dubbing, I turned automatic dubbing on my channel, I won't be speaking English, rather I will be speaking Spanish to that person, and that viewer that is watching my video will be understanding what I am speaking, because I am speaking his or her language. Okay, do you understand? This is why this is very, very important and a wonderful settings. Once you turn this particular setting on your channel, YouTube will recommend your videos to a wider audience with different languages, and you'll be getting more views and more recommendation from YouTube. Do you understand? So if yours is off right now, just go right now and turn it on. Another settings is at your home tab. Okay, just click on your profile here. Do you see how my home tab is looking very neat and is arranged accordingly? Do you see that? Do you see that? If yours is not arranged like this, YouTube will not be recommending your videos and you will not be getting any views. Okay, now in order for you to arrange your channel like this, to arrange your channel neatly, so that whenever someone comes to your channel, they will know where to find whatever they are looking for. Do you understand? Just type on this customized channel here. Okay, and then go to home tab. Okay, If this is off like this on your channel, okay, if this is off like this on your channel, you turn it on so that everything will be enabled. Okay, and in order for you to add sections, different sections, you click on this plus here, add sections. You understand? The reasons why all these things are like this is because I have added most of them. Okay, you first of all add your channel trailer. Okay, in this channel trailer, you'll be telling people what your channel is all about, or even if you're not telling what your channel is all about, your most views video, you can also add it on your channel trailer. The same thing as spotlight for returning subscribers. Okay, you can also add your most viewed video, even if you have 100 views as one of the highest views in your channel, even if you have 50 views as one of the highest views in your channel, you should go on and add that video there. Do you understand? And also other videos like popular videos, short videos, for you page, live now, all of these things, make sure that you enable each and every one of them. Okay, once you arrange your channel like this, it will be very, very neat, and whenever someone's come to your channel, they will know that you actually knows what you are doing. Do you understand? And it will also give a good signal to YouTube algorithm. It will tell YouTube algorithm that this person knows what he or she is doing, that you should recommend their videos. Do you understand? And YouTube will start recommending your videos, and you'll be getting views and watch hours. Okay, so try as much as you can to arrange your home tab neatly. This is one of the most important settings here. You should try as much as you can to arrange your home tab very, very well. Okay, so these are the settings that you need to turn on your channel for YouTube to start recommending your videos immediately, and you start getting more views and more subscribers. Okay, let me know in the comment section which of the settings works really well for you. I'll be glad to hear your thoughts in the comment section.
If you find today's video helpful as usual, do not forget to smash that like button so that YouTube will push this video to a wider audience that needs to know about these settings. And subscribe to my channel, please. Subscription is free of charge. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing things, more ways on how you grow your YouTube channel very fast and get monetized. Bye, see you on my next video.